We convene today under a sense of urgency as our region grapples with challenging times, be it the divisive conflict in our sister nation, Sudan, or the recent developments in relations with Somalia and Ethiopia. These challenges necessitate bold leadership, unwavering commitments, and a shared vision that transcends borders and ideologies. As you all know, today's summit was convened at the request of the Federal Republic of Somalia. This demand arose in response to the recent signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Democratic and Federal Republic of Ethiopia and Somaliland. As you are all aware, it has always provided us with the unique opportunity to collectively engage the deliberations on each and every disturbing development arising in our region and have an open and constructive dialogue on challenging issues that matter most of our nations and peoples.